We are going to answer the last part of this question. Describe 6 roles of the board secretary. Roles of the board secretary. What are the roles of the board secretary? The roles of the board secretary. Now, one role the board secretary plays is in relation to governance support. Governance support. The board secretary provides support to the board in matters related to corporate governance. You understand? They ensure compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. They maintain corporate records and facilitate board meetings and decision-making processes. That is one role played by the board secretary. Meeting management, number 2. Management of board meetings. The board secretary is responsible for coordinating board meetings, including preparing the agendas, distributing meeting materials and information, and even recording minutes. They ensure that meetings are conducted in accordance with the proper procedures and that decisions are accurately documented. Meeting management. 3. Board communication. Another role is in relation to board communication. The board secretary serves as a central point of communication between the board and the company's management, between the board and the shareholders and other stakeholders. They facilitate the flow of information to the board and ensure that relevant information is shared in a timely and transparent manner. The 4th role is in relation with compliance and regulatory affairs. Compliance and regulatory affairs. The board secretary assists in ensuring compliance with applicable laws, regulations, and corporate governance best practices. They also keep abreast of legal and regulatory developments. They advise the board on compliance matters and oversee the implementation of compliance programs. That is the 4th role of the board secretary. Then lastly, record keeping and documentation. Record keeping and documentation. The board secretary is responsible for maintaining accurate and up-to-date corporate records, including board minutes, resolutions, and other important resolutions, together with other documents. They ensure that the corporate records are properly organized, accessible, and securely stored. Record keeping and documentation. 6. Board development and evaluation. Board development and evaluation. The board secretary may play a role in board development or training. It may play a role in board evaluation. They may assist in identifying board training needs, organizing board evaluation exercises, and supporting the overall professional development of the board members. So these are 6 roles played by the board secretary. One is in relation to governance, meeting management, board communication, compliance and regulatory affairs, record keeping and documentation, then record development and evaluation. 6 roles, 12 marks. 6 roles, 12 marks. We have answered question 3. Thank you for attending the lesson. We are going to take a short break. When we come back, we are going to answer question number 4. Bye-bye.